Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento to multi-vendor marketplace Twilio SMS notification plugin. And using this plugin, basically you'll be able to send the text SMS directly to the vendors at the time of the seller approval, disapproval, product approval, disapproval, order status, cancel, invoice, shipped, credit memo, and even after when the product is sold out. Apart from that, the customers will also get SMS at the time of order place, order invoice, and the order shipment. And as we've already told you, that this particular plugin comes with the ability to send the notification messages to the marketplace vendors. So we'll be checking the workflow of this particular plugin from the admin backend panel, how we can configure it, and then I'll just show you how the customers would be able to receive the different SMS notifications at the at the time of order place, order invoice, and order shipment, and the rest of the workflow on the vendors end as well. So let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see what different configuration settings are there for this plugin. That's the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace Twilio SMS notification plugin by Webkul, and this is an add-on to the multi-vendor marketplace for the Magento 2 platform by Webkul. So you need to have that particular marketplace installed first. Only after that you'll be able to make use of the Twilio SMS notification plugin integration features within your Magento 2 platform-based multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So I'm at the back end of my Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace web store right now. So I'll be logging into my admin backend panel by entering my username and password. So logged into my backend panel. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, let's go to the backend panel here and let's see how we can initially make the configuration settings for this plugin to work correctly. So we need to enter some details from the Twilio account itself. So the admin must have the Twilio account, and I'll be showing you the different settings that need to be set up. So for that we'll just be navigating through stores and then under settings to configuration. So we need the account authentication ID and the rest of the things there. So I'll just show you how we can get those from the Twilio account itself after we're done with the initial configurations by navigating through stores and then configuration once again. And here under the configuration section on the left hand side under the Webkul block, we have the marketplace, and this is the add-on for the multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So on the marketplace you'll find marketplace Twilio configuration settings, as you can see. So here we have a number of options to make the initial configurations. Let's see how we can do that. So the very first thing here, we have the account type. So you can choose to make this particular plugin to use as in the sandbox or the testing mode, or in the production or the live mode by choosing the sandbox or the live according to your requirements. If you have chosen sandbox, you can enter the account SID and the authentication token for your sandbox account. That's a free account at the Twilio itself after you've created your account there. And if you're going in the live or the production mode, then you need to have the account, as well as you need to purchase a plan there for the sending of the SMSs. And now after that we have the option to enable or disable this particular Twilio configuration settings here that allow us to send out the marketplace notifications to the vendors, as well as to the marketplace customers when they are placing the orders, and vendors when they are registering themselves, or they're adding or editing their products, and rest of the things as well. Then we have the enable customer notification, whether you want to notify the customers or not for the orders, and even after when the order has been completed. So to enable that, you just need to choose a yes for this particular option. That's the enable customer notification. Then we have the account SID and the authentication token and the Twilio phone number. So basically what happens here is that whenever you register at the Twilio itself, so right now you can see that I'm logged in and I have the trial balance for $14 right now. It's a test account, and after registering at the Twilio here and creating my telephone number or choosing my number, I have this particular section under the dashboard where I can find my trial number, as you can see. So this needs to be basically entered here within the Twilio phone number, and we need to add the prefix as well. And then we have the account SID. This needs to be pasted here under this particular section. And then we have the authentication token. You can tap here to show it, to view it, and you can copy it and then just paste here under the authentication token. So this is a trial account. To proceed further, you just need to upgrade so as to remove the restrictions. As you can see here, here's how your Twilio account basically works. So you can send the message and make calls to the verified telephone numbers of the vendors as well as the marketplace sellers, or the users having a verified number, and message and calls include a note about the confirm of the coming from a Twilio trial account if you're using a trial account. Otherwise, if you're a broker rate, you can remove the restrictions, and then you can set up according to the terms and conditions of Twilio itself. And lastly, after you're done with the settings, just tap here on the save configuration buttons, and we're good to go, whether for the live or the sandbox mode. It depends upon your own requirement there. If you're choosing a sandbox mode, you can also set up the seller phone number here. So this is for the admin itself, so the admin can enter his mobile number here, and thereafter you can tap here on the verify number as well. And similarly, the marketplace vendors also need to set up their phone number. So whenever they are registering themselves, they'll have to enter their phone number, and that would be used for the rest of the functionality there. So I'll just show you that in a moment as well. So this was how we can configure the marketplace Twilio itself from the admin backend panel under the configuration settings. And let me take you to the user guide to show you how you can get your details with the Twilio itself. So we have added the details under how to get the credentials for Twilio, so you can access that section, and you can get your account ID or the account SID, the token, and the Twilio phone number. So here we have the steps to create your first account, verify your telephone number, and then get your authentication token and the SID. So now let's see how the marketplace vendors would basically be able to set up their mobile telephone numbers. So for that, first let me log into one of the vendor accounts that I've created already. So for that, I'll just enter the username and the password for my vendor account, and thereafter we'll be logging into our account. So I've just entered the details, tap on the sign in button, and we'll be logged into our vendor account thereafter. So basically, after the vendor has log into his account under his seller profile, under the edit seller profile, there's an option for the contact number that would be responsible for the notification that would be sent out to the marketplace customers, and that number needs to be verified, and for that so that he'll be able to receive the text notifications. So he'll have to enter his contact number, and that would be basically used with the notification itself. And before showing you something else as well, let me show you, these are the messages that the vendors receive on their mobile phone that they have entered after they verified it under their edit account. So whenever a product is being approved by the admin, at that time you can see that the vendor receives the same, that the product has been approved by the admin. And here you can see that it is sent from your Twilio trial account. As I've already told you that if you have a trial account, then this text would be added. Otherwise, to take up the restrictions, you can choose the whatever we say as the plan that they have. And here's when the product is disapproved by the admin. So the vendor receives the disapproved by admin SMS notification. Also, at the time of seller's product approval, whenever the products are approved by the marketplace admin, the vendor receives the notification message for the product approval, as you can see, as I've already shown you, and the disapproval notification along with the link of the product that has been disapproved, or the approval one. So you can tap that up and you can check your live product there if it's being approved by the marketplace admin. Now this is how the order cancelled by the admin or the marketplace seller is visible. If the order is cancelled by any one of them, then the vendor basically would receive an order cancellation notification. As you can see, if it's a product of a particular vendor of the marketplace, that the order number for the items have been cancelled along with the link of the order history. And from here the marketplace vendors can also access the mail for more details. Then we have the order place notification. So whenever a buyer places an order for the marketplace vendor products, then the respective vendor would receive the notification message for orders placed along with the order IDs. As you can see, an order for this product has been placed along with the link of the particular order, and the SMS notification is also sent out for the invoice generation, as you can see here. So at that time you can see here that we have your order for this item has been invoiced right now, as you can see. So this is the invoice generation notification. This is the shipment generation notification. Hi, the product has been shipped with the ID for the order ID this, and the rest of the details. This is the credit memo generation and SMS notification that a memo have for the item this have been generated for your order number this, right? So same goes for the customer end as well. Whenever a customer places an order, at that time the customer like this, you can see, hi Jenny, your order for this product has been placed along with the number of items within that particular order, along with the link to check the order history for the customer order that he has already placed, and I'll link to his email as well for more details. Same for the invoice. When the invoice is generated, the customer receives that an invoice for an item for your order number has been generated, as you can see here within the details. The same goes with the shipment generation as well, that the items have been shipped with the shipment ID for your order ID at the time of customer order cancellation as well. As you can see, the customer gets the SMS notification for the cancelled product there for basically the order. Hi Jenny, the order this for item Fusion Pack has been cancelled. Please visit for details. And same for the credit memo. A credit memo has been generated for your order number for items, the item along with the total number of product count there, and the link to check the same. So that was much about the Magento 2 Multi-Vendor Marketplace Twilio SMS notification plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. So if you have any questions, suggestions, or you have any queries, or you have any requirements, then kindly get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvidus.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day.